These days, a lot of people are talking about artificial intelligence, especially in the tech industry. AI is becoming a big deal, and we're already seeing it in some mobile devices. In 2024, flagship phones like the Samsung Galaxy S24 Series will have even more AI features. Samsung is leading the way with its Galaxy S24 phones. They will use a powerful chip called the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and Samsung is making a big deal about how AI will make these phones smarter. They also have their own AI model called Samsung Gauss, which can understand human language and do things like help write emails and translate languages. The Galaxy S24 will have cool AI features like translating calls in real time and creating unique wallpapers based on your commands. It can even improve your photos and videos by making them look better and removing unwanted things from videos. Samsung is quick to adopt new technology, unlike Apple, its main competitor. Apple tends to take its time to introduce new features, and it might be the same with AI. This could be frustrating for iPhone users who want to use the cool AI features they hear about. So Samsung is trying to win over iPhone users by making AI a big focus in its 2024 phones. These phones will have more advanced AI capabilities than the latest iPhone, which won't get a new version until later in 2024. Samsung won't stop with the Galaxy S24. They'll bring AI to their other phones like the Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Z Flip in the summer of 2024. They might also add AI to their mid-range phones later in the year. In short, if you're curious about AI and don't want to miss out, Samsung's 2024 phones are a great option, especially if you're an iPhone user. They're going all in on AI, so you won't feel like you're missing out on the latest tech.